So hey guys, it's been a little while since we made a video. I went and picked up this ArmaLaser. I wanted to install a laser on my 380. I got it here in this Sneaky Pete holster. I picked this up online on Amazon. Looks like it was about just shy of $100. It's the ArmaLaser TR2 touch grip activated laser sight. This is the red one, and it's touch grip. So it's got these little pads under there. When you touch it, when you grab your gun, it goes off. So there's no buttons to push on it to activate the laser. Just simply grab it and it's on, it's running. Now the first thing we want to do is, this is my concealed carry, so before we start working on this, we want to take this out and check it clear. Always assume your weapons are loaded. And we're clear. Alright, now that we've checked this clear, I'm going to do it again. Again, it's the ArmaLaser TR2. It's for the Ruger 380 LCP, not the LCP2. With the touch grip activated. Step 1. Open contents. Place in front of you. Looks like it comes with everything you need to get into it. Step 2. Separate the left and right sides. Here's our left side. Here's our right side. Grab the left side and press it in. So it looks like this section here goes above the guard, like so. And then it rolls in above the guard there. And it says press it in. Now let's install the right side. This fit is pretty snug. It bends it right here. Installing it on here where the finger guard goes into the groove. Fits pretty tight. And then you got to push this around the front so it slides on there. Pretty snug fit. Alright. Now the right side just slides over top of this. I'm going to feed this into the track first right here. Roll that in, roll this up, and it should slide right on. There we go. Okay, everything looks good. Alright, now we got 2 screws to put in here. One here, one here. Correction, one here and not that one, but that one. Oh, that makes sense. Use the kit supplied Phillips screwdriver to install the damn screws. Not damn it. That looks a lot better. No gaps. Looks pretty squared away. Now when you grab it, your fingers rest right up against the contacts. Now we just got to install the battery. Holy shit, that's a tiny screw. There we go. Get that on there. Whoa. Look at that. Grab it. Oh man. Where's the cat? Alright you guys, so on the bottom we've got this button right here. If you touch it twice, then it goes to pulse mode. Right now the laser is solid, so hit it twice, bump bump, pulse mode. Alright, cool. If that doesn't send you into epileptic shock, I don't know what will. Especially if you're on the other end of that dot. To adjust your elevation and windage, you got these Allen wrenches. So for elevation, there's a hole in the bottom right here. Put that in there and adjust it. Turn this left or right. It'll move your laser up and down. Okay. For windage, right here on the side. Put that in the side and adjust it. She'll move left or right for you. All right. Hey, if you guys have one of these Sneaky Pete holsters, I like these because you can wear them right on your belt clip, right in front of everybody. They don't even know you're packing. But look, obviously pack with a concealed license if you're required to do so. Anywho, when I put the laser on the firearm, you'll notice my Sneaky Pete's got that little notch out inside there. It just slides right in here perfectly. Just slides right on in there. Yep. Now she's all ready to go. Buttoned it up. Bam! Alright, well, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a good time to do so while we're playing around with this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. I'll be reloading a whole bunch of the stuff I've got on the shelf here. Got any comments? Leave them below. And I'll have to take this out now and shoot it. Check that out. Alright. Well, that was a hoot. Thanks for watching.